mix it, and then you leave it for 5 minutes to come. I'm trying to run my fingers around so that the tip of my hair should get everywhere, but my baby hair, my hairline in the front and at the back, and I will do it in the end. I don't want it to be like so lighter, less, so that's why I'm doing this process. That's why I'm making sure that so I started with the why am I starting on the tip of my hair? Because the root tends. So now that I'm done with everything, I'm going to now apply the color on my baby hairs, and I will use a brush. So the brush is gonna go precise to the baby hairs, to the hairline, and you make sure you go direct to the hairline, just to avoid that, even if it touches your skin, because you have the oil or the grease, the Vaseline that I have under, it's gonna just not make it stick to my